In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync one spreadsheet to another in Google Sheets. This process is incredibly useful when you want to make sure your data is automatically updated and consistent across different documents. So let's dive right into it. First, go into the spreadsheet that you wish to sync to another. It's important to identify which sheet within the spreadsheet you want to work with, as well as the specific range of cells you want to carry over to your new sheet. Knowing the range up front helps streamline the process when setting it up. Once you have that noted down, the next step is to copy the URL of this original spreadsheet. You'll need this later when we enter the import range function. With the copied link in hand, navigate over to the spreadsheet where you'd like to see the synced data. This could be an entirely new document or an existing one, depending on how you wish to organize your data. Within this new sheet, you'll start by selecting the cell where you want your data to appear. Type an equal sign followed by import range, and then open parenthesis to begin the function. This function is what enables you to import a range of cells from one sheet to another. Now it's time to paste the URL you copied earlier. You need to place it within quotation marks inside the parentheses. This tells Google Sheets exactly where to pull the data from. Afterward, add a comma, and then it's time to specify the sheet name and range. For instance, if you want data from Table 1 and need the cells from, let's say, B2 to G7, that information will follow the structure Table 1 to B2 G7, placed in quotation marks as well. Ensure there's an exclamation point right after the sheet name, directly before the range. This might seem like a small detail, but it's crucial for accurately pinpointing where the data resides in the original sheet. Once you have your function properly set up, go ahead and hit Enter. At this point, Google Sheets usually prompts you to grant access to the original sheet. This step is necessary to authenticate and finalize the data sync, so simply allow access when prompted. And there you have it. The data from your original spreadsheet should now appear on your current sheet. The beauty of using import range is that any updates made in the original sheet will reflect automatically in this synced version. Thanks to this dynamic linking, you can save time and ensure your data is always up to date without manual copying and pasting.